All right, YouTubers, here we are at a gigantic Spirit Halloween. This is off the side road here. This is kind of crazy looking. It's actually a fireworks factory during the season of fireworks. But right now, it's for Halloween. Check it out. Check it out, folks. We're about to go in. Spirit Halloween. Yeah. Here we are, Spirit Halloween. Check it out. Got a little bit of everything at Spirit Halloween, folks. Check it out. The scare is in the air. Yeah. This is awesome. Check it out. Yeah, Winnie the Pooh like you've never seen it before. A lot of Beetlejuice going on here. The Voorhees shirts. Yeah, you get yourself a Voorhees shirt and a good plastic machete there. Oh, check out the stocking hats. It's pretty cool. This place is huge. Look, folks, it's huge in here. It's monstrous. Wow. Teletubbies. What are these jackets? What's this?
I don't know.
I don't either.
Look at this.
What's it say? Oh, Pizza Planet delivery for Toy Story. Toy Story. Yeah, that's what it is. Ink. Mystery Ink. Monsters Inc. or whatever you call it. That's Scooby-Doo. Got Elmo going on there. Minions, yeah. Is there anything we want to check over here, Jack? Hogwarts. Batman. Oh, the sound may go out on this video because of the music. What is it? $10? No, $14 for fake money. It's not cheap for fake money. It's a fun place, folks. Halloween all day long. What else we got here? Oh, we got vampire stuff. Oh. Let's see if this works, Jack. Good.
I'm just admiring your costume. Hey, you over there. Yeah, you. I'm giving out some candy. I thought this would be a great way to make some friends. So come a little closer and try to take some. What do you say? I'm hungry.
That one's not that scary. Well, this is Spirit Halloween, folks. It is fantastically huge and big. You need to go to the store or go online and check it out. Spirit Halloween. I'll put in the description below a link to get to the online part. But check it out, folks. A lot of cool masks. Let's go check out the cool mask real quick for the video, and then we'll move on. There we go. That is these dog masks I was telling you about. Cat and dog masks. These are great. You wear that out in the woods, somebody's gonna be scared. These are killer. All right, folks, like I said, once again, go to Spirit Online and then go to the store. Check it out. It is fun to no end. Spirit. All right, have a good day, folks. God bless.